Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to optimize storage on your Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just open the Capcut application. Okay, you can see here when you open the Capcut application you will be in edit section. So to optimize the storage on a Capcut application, you just need to go into the settings. Okay, so settings button will be on the right corner, upper right corner here. You just need to click it, and you just need to scrolling down until you found a clear cache here. So you just need to click it, and after that confirm that you want to clear the cache. And now when it's already 0, means that you're already optimizing the storage on a Capcut application. So that's all the way how we optimize the Capcut application on iOS or iPhone. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.